Hey, welcome to our channel once again, guys. Thanks for being here. Today we're going to be doing another fish that goes with dal and rice. Very nice. And that's these flatfish here. Some call them Plata Plata. So we're going to be frying those today to go with dal and rice. And we're going to be using some curry powder, some black pepper, salt, garlic, broadleaf thyme. And we're going to be coating with flour. Pepper, of course, is optional. So that's about it, guys. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do here, guys, is wash our Plata Plata. That's a funny name they gave this fish, Plata Plata. But it tastes very nice, man, when they're fried, crispy. Flatfish. Plata Plata or flatfish. If you guys have any other name for this fish, put it in the comments down below, right? I'd like to know. Okay, guys, so we have our fish washed. We're gonna cut up our seasonings now. So that's some celery. We're gonna be using some celery here as well. So we're using 3 cloves of garlic for this recipe. So we're gonna season our Plata Plata now. So that's curry powder. That's some regular all-purpose flour. Black pepper. And salt to taste. And this is the stuff from the mortar that we found it. Thyme, celery, and the garlic. That's deliciousness right there once it's fried. So these have to be fried a little brown, guys. That's the way it's fried for dal and rice. Yeah, so that's getting to be perfect. That's what you want to see, the brown. Okay guys, so this is the color you're looking for, and this is done. Smelling so good. So that's it guys. This is our fried Plata Plata. Looking good. This is gonna be done in no time. I can assure you that. So that's it for our fried fish for dal and rice, fried Plata Plata guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.